Today, I will give a simple introduction to the difference between self-reversing screw, lead screw, or ball screw assembly. With a self-reversing screw, only one direction of rotation is required to achieve, reciprocated by directional lateral moment. The reciprocated bidirectional moment is achieved by using a follow blade in the nut, as matched to the particular groove width. The criss-cross thread pattern allows to drive the nut back and forth without changing the lead screw's direction of rotation. As you can see, when the nut reaches one end of the lead screw, without changing the shaft direction, it runs back to the other end. But for lead screw or ball screw assembly, we need to change the rotation direction to enable nut to return to its original start position. So, self-reversing screw is more efficient and useful when your application requires a single rotation direction. For more information about ALM self-reversing screw, lead screw, and ball screw assembly, please click our website.